Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Monday market webcast. Okay, so daily chart. We talked about the upper band ride, and that's what we're doing. We've already done higher highs versus Friday. We've pushed away from this consolidation area around the mid-band, 50-day, 9-day, you name it, we've pushed away from it. At this rate, we're headed up imminently toward 3,500, and we'll see just, how high the bulls want to climb this. And it's going to continue to climb and continue to do what it's doing until the bears can sustainably find something that's resistance and push it down for more than, than an hour or two or 15 or 20 minutes. This market remains bid. These dips keep getting bought, and you have to adapt to that. They've had these news whips keep coming to the downside. Happened a few times on Friday, and they're just snatched up. They're just snatched up. Now, that's not going to last forever, but while it's lasting, you got to be long. Hourly chart, you got your new weekly pivot coming in, 34.29. We have not, we dealt with the weekly pivot last week around Wednesday on the Trump COVID news. It took us down to the daily mid-band, and there was just basically a climb from there. And they hit that higher high, and hourly mid-band went support, and they dragged it to the upside. It was a rally that everybody hated, and I mean everybody, including this guy. I did not like this rally, but to the extent that it is rallying, you got to be long. You can't fight price. You just can't fight price. That rally last week was a gold-plated invitation to fight price. So as we head into today, if we have to be cognizant of, do they pull back into the hourly mid-band? If they do, I'm going to expect it to be a buy before it's a sell. And as long as they continue to hold that hourly mid-band, whenever it gets tested, the bulls are going to continue to have an advantage in this market. And you see 3,500 up there, unless the bears do something about it, that's exactly where we're going. Why? Because that's what's next, and it is what it is. It is what it is. If you don't, if you don't want the market to go up anymore, send a memo to the bears and tell them to do something about it. Because until they do, all you're seeing are these little fits of profit taking, or these little news blips that don't last, and then they rip. So you've got volume weighted average price today 78.66, hourly mid-band 76. Proprietary moving average and 5-minute mid-band are both 84.5. So, does it come in a little bit? Sure, but I have a tough time with it doing, you've got 1, 2, 3, basically 4 hours of support between 77 and 80 with hourly mid-band. By then, should be up into that zone. So that 77 to 80 area is going to be your bull bear off the open this morning. Okay, that's all I got. Everybody have a fantastic Monday. Be safe, be healthy, take care, trade them well. Talk to you tomorrow. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.